Everybody on YouTube, what's going on today? What's happening? It's your boy A-Dub, Ace Dubs, Aaron Dubs, and welcome back to the studio. Welcome back to the channel. So glad to have you guys here. I just really appreciate it when you guys stop by. And today we got a special video because it was pressed by my boy Tug. Shout out to you. Trying to know how to get this drip up, how to get better at dressing. So I laid out a couple steps, you know what I mean, to give you guys a guide on what I would do, the rules that I follow when I'm trying to dress. Moving on, you guys know, you guys gotta do me a couple favors as always. Like the video up, comment down below, hit the subscribe button. Really helps the channel grow, helps me grow, helps me get the algorithm. And I told you guys, we're to 200. When we hit 200, we doing the sticker collection as always. It's right here, it's waiting for you guys. It wants to come out, it wants to drop. Run up to 200, you feel me, you feel me? Alright, and so for this video, I'm doing something completely different. I did write a script out, so if you see me glancing at my computer or trying to wake it up, don't say nothing, because I'll try to get my points together, trying to get my points across. You know, all my other videos, I'm literally off the dome in them. For real, all my videos off the dome. So this one, and probably from like here on out, I'm going to be writing the scripts for my videos so I know exactly what to hit. But now that that's out the way, let's actually tap into the video for real now. Alright, so A-Dubs, Ace Dubs, Aaron Dubs' first rule when it comes to dressing is know yourself and know your body limits. And what I mean by knowing your body limits, just know like what sizes fit you, what you can wear, what you can't wear. You can't be a lineman on a varsity football team wearing skinny jeans and a medium-sized shirt. It's just not gonna work, bro. You're 6'1", 270. That's not happening. You might have to go down to the slim jeans and get that extra large shirt. You want to know your body. And I might be a real slim skinny dude, but I can't go out there wearing bootcut jeans. I mean, I could, but I'm not going to wear bootcut jeans in a super small shirt. That's not it. So by knowing your body's limitations and knowing what you can and cannot wear, it can really bring your outfit to the next level. And makes it look like you actually care about yourself, actually care about what you're wearing. You know, might be like, oh yeah, he pays a little bit more attention to what he wears, or she might pay a little bit more attention to what she actually wears. That's basically it. It's a really short, simple rule. Just know your body, know your body's limitations, you know what I mean? If you, that lineman, go ahead and get your size, that extra large. Leave the mediums and the larges for the little dudes like me, basically. That's all I'm trying to say. And there's nothing wrong with that. Alright, so now at rule number 2, step number 2, Ace Dubs rule number 2, we got don't be afraid to step out your comfort zone. And basically what I mean by this is, don't be afraid to wear different colors, different kinds of clothes, or even wearing like a larger size. Now let's hit on the colors first. So basically, you want to wear different colors. You want to expand your color palette. You don't want to stick to the same 3 colors over and over again. I know black and white is really popular because it goes with a lot of things. You can pair it up with literally anything in the whole entire world and it's going to hit every time. But that's not fun. That's not fun at all. And if someone sees you wearing black and white over and over again, they're going to think your closet's really bland. You come up as a bland person. You want to be more expressive than that. You want to throw a little splash of color in there every now and again, just to shake it up. Even that come down to like your basics, reds, your blues, your greens, your oranges, your yellows. You know, something bright every now and again. Another thing is know what color to wear and what season. You don't want to be the brightest blueberry in the fall time, and you don't want to be the darkest whatever in the summertime. You know, your olive greens and your tans, your earth tones, leave them for the fall. Your brighter tones, leave them for the spring and the summer. That's as simple as I can go right now. I might make a whole video on that, what colors to wear during what season. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors. Add some splash of color to your wardrobe. It'll help you out in the long run. It makes you feel a lot better, in my opinion. Moving on, wearing different kinds of pants. Now, let me tell you the kind of pants that aren't in style anymore. Moto pants, ashy wash, bleach wash. That's it. You guys know exactly what I'm talking about. I'll probably throw a picture up on the screen too. But those pants are not in style. But don't be afraid to experiment. You know, get them pants with the holes in them. Get the pants with the graphics on them that has a little bit drawn on them. Besides True Religion. I hate True Religion. Don't ever cop True Religion. But moving on, get the cargo pants, get the sweatpants, get the track pants, get the loungewear, the rubber band pants. I mean, there's so many different kinds of pants you guys can wear. You don't have to stick to just jeans. Like, jeans are cool on occasion, but just having jeans over and over and over again, you know, you want to switch it up every now and again. Believe it or not, pants are actually one of the biggest factors in dressing, but it just matters how you wear your pants, really. That's one of the biggest things, only because they cost so much, and pants are usually in style a lot longer than shirts and shoes are. Like, the shirts denim has been in style for what, 5-6 years at this point, and it's not going anywhere. But you guys can see the shirts people were wearing 5 years ago are nowhere to be found, nowhere in sight. Make sure you have a good collection of pants, just in general, whether it's cargo pants, loungewear, sweatpants, and even like distressed denim, graphic design denim, anything like that. Hell, you can even throw like corduroy pants in there if you really want to, or some velvet sweatpants. I mean, just anything and switch it up, you know what I mean? Don't be afraid to experiment with different kinds of pants. You can only help yourself. Well, you can also hurt yourself. But you can only get your drip up. You can only raise your drip up, you know what I mean? Experiment with different colors, experiment with different pants. But moving on to that last thing I was saying, don't be afraid to get that larger size to imitate oversized look that's really in right now. That's been in for the past 3 years. So basically what I mean by this is, I originally wear a medium. That's what size I wear. It fits me perfectly. But a lot of my shirts I do get in a large, only because future proof, just in case I grow, and then I still have something in my closet to put on. The oversized fit actually looks really good. I'm not too sure why the oversized fit is really hitting or why it looks good, but it just does. It gives it more of that like relaxed feel to it, like that real chill vibe to it. If you can't wear the oversized fit, don't fret. Just get your regular size. I'm just saying, if you can, don't be afraid to wear the biggest size shirt or the biggest size hoodie, biggest size sweatshirt. It's really in, it's been in, it's not going anywhere. I don't think I would say you should get oversized or your bottoms or your pants, only because you're gonna look crazy. Yeah, you're just gonna look crazy wearing a size extra large and some sweats and you have this large shirt. All right, but yeah, that's step number 2. And if you forgot, step number 1 was know yourself. Step number 2 is don't be afraid to get a little creative. Don't get afraid to step outside your comfort zone. But moving on to step number 3, this is don't be a follower, don't succumb to peer pressure. Now, peer pressure is really hard to escape. I do know that because you're around people every day and there's so many different influences, but you must stay true to yourself. You must stay true to yourself. That's the biggest thing. Because dressing or just having drip in general is an expression of yourself. It's what you want people to think of you. The first thing people want to see, other than your face, is what you have on. You don't want to go out there wearing something that someone else told you to put on because maybe you don't feel comfortable in it. You don't look right in it. So make sure you feel comfortable in what you're wearing. Don't succumb to peer pressure. Because you see the rapper wearing the Balenciaga shirt with the chrome heart jeans and the Balenciaga shoes, doesn't mean that you guys need to put that on either, basically. Go out there and wear the shirt from Paxson and the jeans from Minimal if you really want to. Go out and wear those Jesus sandals. If that makes you want to have a drip, go ahead, by all means, go ahead and do that. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's A-Dubs from the future, or in the middle of this video somewhere, I don't know. But I forgot to mention one thing about dressing. One thing about dressing is you need to have confidence in yourself and what you wear. Confidence is literally key when it comes to dressing, because if you're not confident in what you're wearing, then everyone's gonna look at you like, what does he have on? So you gotta walk in wherever you're at, whatever you're wearing, confidently, proudly, because like I said, dressing is expression of yourself. It's another way to convey those emotions to other people looking around. As you guys can actually see, I'm actually ending the video right now. Dressing is just another way of expressing yourself. So make sure you have confidence in what you're wearing, what you're dressing, because that's 50% of dressing, have confidence. Without that confidence, then your outfit is 50% whack, off free. So I'm sending it back to the video now. Hope you guys are enjoying it so far. I'm gonna send you guys back to the video now. Like I said, it's A-Dubs from the future, and I'm out. But like I said, don't succumb to peer pressure. It's a real short and simple rule, but it's really a big one. But moving on to number 4, try right while you're all here, to be honest. It's just some general tips and ideas when it comes to dressing in general. The first thing is learn how to color coordinate. You don't want to be too matchy-matchy. You don't want to have the black, the light blue, and the black. Now, okay, you cool, but there's a lot of black going on. You don't want to have the red, the white, the red, the white. Like you look the candy cane, bro. You want to know how to color coordinate. So you see, you might have the tan on right here, and the blue right here, and the dark denim right here with some white shoes. Now, it's a lot of different colors going on, but they all talk to each other and they all match with each other. That's basically what you want to go for. You don't want to have, you want to be too matchy-matchy, but you want to be too crazy, where it's like what you got going on. Number 2, try not to buy clothes with logos on them. And basically what I mean by this, don't get something that says Gucci right here across the chest, or something that says Paxson right here across the chest. See, I have this small logo in my corner. That's cool. I'm only saying this because things with logos tend to go out of style pretty quickly. Fashion is ever evolving, fashion is ever changing. So what I recommend you know, stock up on your basics first before you even move on to any logos. Because basics will never go out of style. They're just simple colors, basically. 2, you're spending a lot of money for a logo on a t-shirt that won't be in style next season. So you can have a couple of them that you can wear. Now this shirt probably came out like 4 seasons ago, but you see I'm still rocking it. Because it's a simple design basically, and it will definitely won't go out. Rule number 3, find clothes that you like. Whether you're hitting the thrift, hitting boutiques, hitting just anywhere, basically find clothes that you like to wear. Don't try to follow anybody's trends or anything. Find the clothes that you like to wear. It's going to make you more comfortable overall, and that ties into rule number 3. So, all right, another thing is V-necks are out of style. Stop wearing V-necks. Another thing, graphic tees are a good go-to for the summertime, and graphic tees are literally everywhere. I recommend getting graphic tees from boutique sites instead of like Packs and Urban Outfitters, only because they have a larger selection. It's usually what's in style right now. It's not like really imitation or anything. That's usually like where I cop a lot of my graphic tees from, is from the boutique sites, like such as Bodega, Feature, Extra Butter New York. They usually have a good selection of t-shirts that you can cop from, ranging from anywhere from like $10 to $150. Whatever you're looking for basically, but shop boutique stores for graphic tees. Another thing is, you don't need a lot of pair of jeans. You can need like a good 6 pairs of jeans. I want to say you want to have your black denim and you want to have your light wash denim. Those are 2 staples right there. Then you also want to have your distressed denim, now medium wash, light wash. You want to have that distressed black denim. And then moving on, you want to have your sweatpants and you have like your cargo pants. I know those last 2 aren't sweatpants, but so really you only need 4 good pairs of jeans, basically. That's what I'm trying to get across. Don't try to overdo it. You don't need to buy jeans every single year. Jeans will never go out of style. Jeans have been in style since 1849, basically, when Levi Strauss first started his company. And I looked that up. I knew that top of my head, you feel me? And last but not least, we have shop to sell racks. It's going to save you a lot of money. It's going to save you a lot of time. Just going through, well, not a lot of time, but it's going to save you a lot of money going through the sell racks. Don't be afraid. No one's going to look at you any different. Don't be afraid to shop to sell racks. Alright, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys can take something from the video and learn from it. Now, these are just the rules that I follow. My boy Tugboat out there, hope you can gather some information from this. I hope it helps you improve your dressing and, you know, elevates you to that next level that you want to hit. And I appreciate you for giving me this idea. I do have your other video ideas coming out real soon too. I got the scripts written down. I'm not going to record them tonight, but probably tomorrow. But as always, be your boy A-Dub, Ace-Dubs, Aaron Dubs. Make sure you follow my social medias. The Instagram is Ace-Dubs, that is ACEDUBSS. The Twitter is Solely Ace, which is SOLEYLACE. I think I hit that correctly. I'm not too sure. Yeah, if you guys run it up, follow me on there. Like I said, road to 200. When we hit 200, we're doing this drop the sticker collection. So make sure I try to get this out for you guys. You know what I mean? But as always, stay busy, stay working with me, boy A-Dubs, and I'm out till next time. I don't got nothing to throw, so I'm throw this. Deuces.